Hello，大家好，歡迎你收睇我嘅 YouTube channel 英國生活英語講正啲，我係阿 Man 啦。今次同大家研究一下有幾個 idioms 英國嘅常用句語，係關於朋友嘅關係。OK，如果大家可以嘅話 like、subscribe 同埋 comment。以前錄製咗所有嘅 video 咧，大家都可以喺我嘅 channel 嗰度重溫一下。有咩問題可以留言啦。Right，我哋立即開始。第一個 idioms 係關於 friendship 嘅。OK，第一個 idiom 係關於 friendship。A friend in need is a friend indeed。A friend in need is a friend indeed。嗱，呢個句語咧，我哋成日都聽到㗎啦。通常我哋用呢個 idioms 咧，係講咗一個情況之後咧，先至回應利用 idioms 喺最尾嗰個句子去提及嘅啫。OK，嘅解釋就係意思咧，就係話相持患難見真情。即係話，如果見到你個朋友有難啦、有危急嘅情況之下，你先去幫佢手，去幫佢忙嘅話咧，呢一個先至係真正嘅朋友咁嘅意思。OK，即係患難見真情，即係唔係話酒肉嗰啲朋友。OK，係真正幫到人嘅朋友。A friend in need is a friend indeed。咁我哋點可以用法啦？有個例子啊 ，Tom is a real gentleman. He helped me when I was in big trouble. A friend in need is a friend indeed。OK， 個意思即係話 Tom 咧真係一個正人君子嚟嘅。佢幫咗我好多，同埋喺我落難嗰陣時候咧，就幫我，跟住最尾咧就利用呢個 idiom 去到回應。A friend in need is a friend indeed， 相當之有用。OK， 第二個 go way back。Go way back。如果想描述你啲朋友係相識咗好耐，好似知己嘅咁嘅意思咧，我哋就會用呢一個 idiom go way back。Go way back。咁我哋點樣用法啦？睇下呢個例子。This is Fanny. We go way back。相當之簡單嘅句子。This is Fanny.We go way back。嗱，如果喺英國嘅朋友特別留意咧，我哋通常咧都盡量好少，或者我盡量避免咧利用呢個 Fanny 呢個字嘅，或者係改名咧都盡量避免改呢個名嘅 Fanny。咁 Fanny 喺英國嘅俗語咧，或者全世界都應該係都知道㗎啦，係講女性嘅私處。咁千祈最怕就改壞名啦。咁如果華人想改英文名嘅話咧，盡量避免呢一個字。OK， 呢個差唔多係一個粗口嚟嘅，咁大家可以避免一下。OK， 咁下一個啦喎。Bury the hatchet。Bury the hatchet 嘅意思即係話講和啦，大家唔好再拗撬啦，不如重新嚟過，向前看咁嘅意思。Bury the hatchet。Bury the hatchet。 有咩例子啊？點用法呢？ Jenny and I had a misunderstanding. However, we buried the hatchet in the end. Jenny and I had a misunderstanding. However, we buried our hatchet in the end. 咁我有個括弧嗰度咧，我哋可以用 our 都得，去代表咗 the 都得，即係可以用一個 pronoun 去代表他人嘅 their hatchet。Right， 相當之好用。下一個啦噃。Know someone inside out. Know someone inside out. 識到嗰個人好通透嘅，好熟悉，即係話同嗰個人超熟嘅，我哋就可以利用一個 idiom 形容 know someone inside out。點樣法啊？ Joanne is trustworthy. We know her inside out. Joanne is trustworthy. We know her inside out. Joanne 咧係好有誠信㗎，我哋熟悉佢相當之多。OK， 即係唔需要懷疑咁嘅意思啦。OK， 再下一個啦喎。Get on like a house on fire. Get on like a house of fire. 一隊人通常係講兩個人 ，OK？ 呢一個 idiom 形容佢哋相處好融洽，大家好傾得埋咁嘅意思。OK， 尤其是咧可以利用呢一個 idiom 咧，係形容一啲新識嘅男朋友啊、女朋友啊嘅關係嘅，或者好融洽嘅，大家好夾嘅咁嘅意思。Get on like a house on fire。點樣用法啦？ Tim and Mary just clicked. They get on like a house on fire. Tim and Mary just clicked. They get on like a house on fire. 嘅意思即係話啦，阿 Tim 同埋阿 Mary 咧，即係好似一拍就即刻合咁嘅意思。佢哋咧就相處得好融洽，好喜歡對方。Right， OK， 呢幾個咧，大家可以嘗試下去研究一下，睇下自己生活上可唔可以用到咧，同講英文嘅人士。Right， 記唔記得啊？呢邊幾個？重溫一下。A friend in need is a friend indeed. Go way back. Go way back. Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet. Know someone inside out. Know someone inside out. Get on like a house on fire. Get on like a house on fire. OK， 大家最緊要記住，熟能生巧，練多啲、聽多啲或者睇多啲嘅話咧，就可以改善自己嘅英語能力啦。OK，practice makes perfect. Right， 咁大家可以嘅話 like、subscribe 同埋 comment 我呢個video 啊。有咩問題嘅話可以留言， 希望同大家再見。Right, this is the end of the video. We'll speak to you soon. Bye now.